Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu, and if you guys have not been paying attention to the chart, it is still in a very strong uptrend and some insane patterns have started to form to show us that the millionaires will be formed from our boys at Shiba Inu. If you're a holder, you do not want to miss out on this one. If you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. I know the Shiba Inu army is very strong. Let's go for 185 likes just to show everyone how strong the army is. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart and the zigzag line that the Shiba Inu chart has started to form. Now something very interesting that has happened in the past 48 hours is if we remove this spike, you guys can see from the bottom it is starting to form a cup and a handle pattern. So this pattern, usually if you guys do not know, when it does come to an end, which in this case would come to an end in the next 24 hours, usually starts going in an uptrend. It is a bullish pattern, but then again this spike was just not the right one because it does break the overall trend. But at the same time, if we do look at this buy order that came in around the same time, shows that this spike was not actually part of the whole pattern. So does that mean that we are in a cup and a handle pattern and we might be going into a bullish movement very soon in the next 24 hours? I mean, in the past 48 hours, you guys can see we've been very consistent with the buy and sell order, and we're in a very strong consolidation period while still being in a very strong uptrend, because you can see that this lower low and this lower low, which are a little bit different, then from here it starts going up. If we look from here, you guys can see this lower low is obviously lower than the next one, then the next one is obviously higher than this one, and exact same thing keeps on happening, clearly predicting that we are in a very strong uptrend. Even though the buy and the sell orders are very similar and there is not a big difference between both of them, the trend of the chart still predicts that we are in a very strong uptrend. But this cup and handle pattern could mean that we might be going into a stronger bull run that might be actually breaking the all-time high of 88 again and taking us all the way to the place which everyone wants, which is obviously that 10,000 mark. Now this 10,000 mark is going to be a very strong point where we will be at the decider point if we will have all the bulls deciding to sell and we might actually crash a little bit, or are we just going to keep going up while Robinhood makes the announcement that you will be able to go ahead and trade Shiba Inu on our platform. But what's interesting is you guys can see on the RSI line we're not actually going into the oversold period. As I mentioned, that both of the orders are coming in a very minor matter. While we're still going in an uptrend, we're still in a very middle point, so we're not overbought or oversold, which is a good indication because we will be able to go ahead and keep climbing for a longer period of time, unlike an extreme bull run where the oversold and the overbought does affect it. At the moment, we're in a very strong point for the RSI for a strong bull run that could follow very soon. I mean, 74, again, as I mentioned, we are forming a very strong support. It has been already done in the past 24 hours, so close to 75, we have actually formed a very strong support. Overall, the chart just looks incredible. Also, the candler channel, you can see it is starting to close in more and more, making it more predictable and more easier to anticipate in terms of what is going to happen with Shiba Inu in the near future. Overall, I do have a question for you guys. What are you guys holding until? Let me know down in the comment section. I'll try to read as many comments as I possibly can. Me personally, I feel like the 10,000 will be the extreme deciding point for a lot of people. Just let me know down in the comment section where you will be holding until. Also, you guys can see the all-time high is actually acting as a resistance at the moment, as a lot of people predicted or anticipated. As you can see, we're starting to climb back up, but this resistance will be a big pointer in terms of where we will be able to climb from there. Other than that, moving on to this article that was posted by Bitcoin List, you can see Coinbase pulls a Robinhood as users are unable to trade Shiba Inu during the rally. So if we decide to read about this article in this, they go on to say how Coinbase has actually grown in the user count in the past 2 to 3 weeks due to Shiba Inu. In America, you guys know Robinhood is the biggest trading platform when it comes to cryptocurrency, and them not allowing Shiba Inu and everyone is seeing the rally, they do want to purchase Shiba Inu. That's why Coinbase has attracted a lot more users, and maybe if Robinhood does not make a difference in the near future, they will be in a lot of trouble. If you guys do not know, the petition that is actually happening to have Robinhood accept Shiba Inu in their portfolio is over 400,000 signs. So Robinhood should probably take the hint very soon, because if they take too long, they will be missing out on a lot of profit, and Coinbase will be profiting quite a bit. Now moving on, a nearly crazy news that came out for our boys inside of Shiba Inu is AMC Theaters to add Shiba Inu to its payment method. Now Shiba Inu was nowhere in sight when it came to AMC Theaters. They did not even want to accept Dogecoin, but when they did do a poll and saw the extreme people backing up Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, it is going crazy. So the AMC CEO actually today tweeted out a poll saying, do you guys want Shiba Inu to be accepted by AMC Theaters? And let's just say a lot of people wanted it, and it went crazy. Shiba increases in value over 160% in just 1 week, and that is one of the reasons why AMC Theaters is considering adding Shiba Inu as a payment method when you want to come watch a movie. As I say, meme tokens are the best thing because there are so many people backing it up. So if you want to make the most profit out of it, make sure you have Dogecoin and Shiba Inu in your payment method, as a lot more people will be tempted to spend it compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum or Cardano. That's just my personal opinion. AMC owes everything to cryptocurrencies because one of the companies has increased its shares the most after using them as a payment method. When the year began, the national chain of cinemas was on the verge of going bankrupt, but it recovered thanks to strategies in which cryptocurrencies are involved. And at this point, Shiba Inu is probably the best next step for them. Now moving on, the top 5 most searched cryptocurrencies on Google, this meme coin beats them all. Cryptocurrency valuations are at the record high levels, and the meme cryptocurrencies are currently dominating the crypto landscape. Dogecoin topples giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum in monthly Google search, and exactly the same thing with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is also one of the most searched cryptocurrencies. It's even more. You guys can see some of the most digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu also touched record high levels over the last week. I mean, all we can say is Shiba Inu has brought in a lot of eyes into the cryptocurrency market. And finally, let's look at the price prediction. Shiba Inu price prediction. What experts think will happen the meme coin and why buying it is a risk. I mean, at this point, the level of whales that are deciding to buy into it, yes, there is a lot of volatility, and that's why you have to be very careful in terms of what you want to do. If you do not decide to go ahead and sell it and buy it at the right time, then you can be in trouble. So make sure you manage your risk and know when to take profit. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.